This video will show you how to search for Tasmanian property and title information using the list. Once you have a list account, you can search for a variety of documents such as folio text and plan, commonly referred to as certificate of title and survey plan, or property report, schedule of easements, and survey notes if available. Note that you need to have a list account to do this. If you do not have a list account yet, other videos on our YouTube channel will help you create one. Click on the link in the top right of screen to view them now. To begin, go to the list homepage, www.thelist.tas.gov.au, and click on the Login button. Enter your list username and password, and click Login. Click on the Properties and Titles icon. You don't need to fill out all of the fields on this screen to search. If you know the title reference that you're searching for, you can enter the volume number in the first box and the folio number in the second box, then click Search. Alternatively, you can search below the line by entering the property ID number if you know it, and then click Search. Or you can enter a property name and click Search. Finally, you can enter a property address and click Search. Your results will appear below. To view the products available for a property, click on the Select Products link. A product list will be shown identifying the products associated with the property and their prices. To access the products, you will need to add them to your cart. There are three ways to do this. Firstly, you can select an individual product by clicking on the Add to Cart link. The product will now appear in cart with the checkbox to the right ticked. You'll notice that the number of items in your cart and total cost will be shown at the top right of the page and will update as you add products to your cart. Secondly, you can add multiple products by clicking in the checkbox to the right of each product you require and then clicking Add Selected. Or, finally, if you require all of the products, click in the checkbox to the right of the option heading, which will select all products, and then click Add Selected. If a document that you require doesn't appear in your product list, this means that the document isn't currently available. If you need this document, click on the Client Request option on the left-hand menu. This will take you to the Client Request Form page. Confirm your contact details, enter the volume and folio number for the property you are interested in, and identify the documents you require. You can also describe your request by typing free text. Click Submit to forward your request to the List Help Desk. You will now receive a client request number. You can continue searching for more documents, or if you are ready to pay for your documents, click on the cart link at the top right of screen. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the List website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.